Hey, what's up? Hello. So anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. I feel like I haven't been here in a while, just like sitting down to film, but here we are. Last time I talked to you guys was my sorority. Why did I say it like that? Sorority, yeah. Basically, it was like my reveal that I got into Delta Zeta, our Gamma Kappa chapter. Oh my god, why can't I talk? Gamma Kappa chapter here at Kent State. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, month. I don't even know how long it's been. I am loving it. I am loving the people that I am meeting. I'm loving the girls. We just ranked for Big Little yesterday. So next week is going to be our Big Little reveal week. So I'm going to vlog all of that next week. Like, I don't know why I'm playing with my sign. I'm going to be filming like my little gifts like that my big gets me. Something really fun that our chapter does, they literally make a fake Instagram for us. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I hope they make me a fake Instagram. And they did. And I was really freaking excited. Literally been so busy. I was literally at the house yesterday till 1 a.m. like waiting to rank for our big. So yeah, it's been like it's been like a really rough weekend. This weekend was also Halloween weekend. I dressed up as a little angel. I had my first sorority date party. So yeah, there's just been like a lot going on these past couple weeks. So that's why I really haven't been able to film. Thank y'all so much for 1.6K. I am so happy, so excited. Thanks for watching my videos. Love you all so much. Anyways, I think it was like a week ago, I posted on my Instagram. I was like, ask me questions to do another Q&A video, and your girl got some. So we're gonna go through and just kind of like a little college update on my life sort of thing, because I literally haven't done a like Q&A video since before I moved in. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel, welcome to the crew. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. You can also follow my socials, which are linked down below. As always, my Instagram is looking very fall right now, so go check her out. Yeah, we're just gonna get into the questions and just like talk and chat about life, so let's go. One of my first questions I got is actually from one of the girls in my sorority chapter. I literally love this girl so much. She's a senior in DZ. Love her. She was like, who's your favorite senior in DZ? Just kidding, just kidding. But after your first few weeks, what's your favorite part? I think my favorite part of the sorority life since these past couple weeks, I really like how busy it is keeping me in a way, because I feel like since I am so busy, like I'm able to get my stuff done more efficiently. But I also love just like getting to meet all the older members and like the girls in my pledge class. Like we had our first fall philanthropy event. It's been like a lot of firsts these past couple weeks, so it's been like really exciting. I'm playing with this thing again. I don't know why. I really feel good about it. I love my chapter. I love the girls in it. So excited for Big Little and like initiation just like in a couple weeks too. So what's your favorite thing about college so far? Like getting to do my own schedule and getting to do things when I want to do them, and not having like a strict day, like going to school like from 7:45 to 3:30 and then going to extracurriculars like after. It's really nice like having a different schedule every day and getting to do my own thing that I want to do every day. It's just like really refreshing. What I'm doing here, like I like my classes, I like the clubs I'm in, I like the people I'm surrounding myself with. Like I am around people that I want to be around. With like the same people for so long, it just like gets like tiring, and now it's like I literally meet new people every single day, and it's like really exciting. Like I love like just making random new friends, and like yeah, it's just really refreshing. And yeah, I really love college. Other than like being like stressed out like from classes and like midterm and stuff like that recently, I'm loving college. So yeah, do you still like your major, or have any doubts about the major that you chose? No. For those of you who are new here or don't know, I am a communication studies major here at Kent State, and I freaking love it. I don't think I could have picked a better major for myself. I really feel like it literally is so interesting. Like prior to coming to college, I didn't really know what comm studies was, and it's actually a social science that studies messages between people in various contexts, from like interpersonally, like between two people, to mass media levels like social media would be. Like literally this just ties in to literally all of my interests, and I find it so interesting and so intriguing. So I'm really freaking glad I chose communication studies, because it is fantastic and I love it. So okay, so my next question is there certain things like activities or clubs you are in to help you pass time on campus? Yes, I am literally always busy. No, I am my sorority. Through sorority life, you also participate in volunteer hours, community service, philanthropy events. You can do like different positions in your sorority, like educating new members, or president, or treasury, academics chair. There's like all different kinds of things you can do within a sorority. That is like my main big organization. I also am a part of the Pink campus team here on Kent's campus. I'm one of their volunteer team members. So basically that means I help run events on campus, and I help our 2 reps who are chosen by the brand like Victoria's Secret Pink to represent Kent. And yeah, I just help them form ideas, run the events. It's like really interesting to me because like working for like a brand like Pink would be super cool to me. I really want to work with like a beauty lifestyle, or like even like a fashion clothing company, like whenever I get my degree. So it's giving me experience that like I will use like, to blog for a magazine on campus, because I've literally always wanted to be a blogger. I really think I might start a blog in the summer, like a lifestyle blog, just because I love writing. I've loved writing since I was a kid, like journalism, stuff like that. I'm not a journalism major. I did consider it though. I think something I've always been interested in, and now that I'm blogging for like this magazine, I'm like, I should just like do this like for my own blog. You know what I mean? Like I think it's gonna be one of my summer projects, like in the summer. So yeah, that is what I do on campus. You get more out of your experience if you're doing more. So yes. How much time do you have to yourself? Well, since I am so busy, I mean, I do have a lot of time to myself. Like, I literally have this whole evening to myself just to kind of like relax, do some stuff around my dorm, get some homework done. So I do have time to myself. I definitely feel like I have more time to myself than I did when I was in high school. Ashley!
Hi.
Filming. Hi.
I'm sorry, I was gonna tell you I was coming, but like I could not grasp myself.
You're fine. You're fine. Yeah, she's in Tri Sigma sorority here at Kent. Hi, you can come over here.
I can't even see myself.
You're right there. And it's like their big little reveal week. I was like talking about that. You got a refresher?
You want to sip?
Oh! Graveyard girl. Hi guys, I'm back. My roommate just went to her dance rehearsal, but favorite thing about your college and what made you decide to go there. So those of you who don't know, I go to Kent State. I literally say it in every video, but my favorite thing about it here, I really like the campus. I like where I'm spending my time. I love like my program. Like my major here is really good. So yeah, I'm really happy just with everything, and I love the people that I'm meeting. So I love Kent. It's a great place. It's a great community, and I just really love Ohio people. I think most of them that I've like met are really nice. Dream job with your major? A lot. Like I said before, I really want to work for like a beauty, a lifestyle, like a wellness company or a fashion company. Or also like social media marketing is huge. Like it's literally insane. Like, so something along those lines. Like there's a lot that I can do with my major too, so like I'll probably discover more things down the road, but yeah, there's like a lot of options that I do have. Yeah, that is all the questions that I got. I just wanted to do this little update for you guys because I haven't been able to actually like sit down and like film like a really like in-depth video in a while. I've really been going on to vlog, so I wanted to like give you guys an update on my life, so I hope it was useful. Yeah, but college is really going great. It's just been really busy like with sorority life. It's nothing unmanageable like some people make it out to be. Like it's really not that bad. Loving it here. If you guys want to see any specific videos, let your girl know in the comments below. I just made it like a song, really weird. I'm going to go do some adult things now. I'm going to clean my room like a big girl. I'm going to do my laundry and do my homework. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in today, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Leave me some requests down below, and yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.